how to enable the dark mode on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on LinkedIn easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to linkedin.com and log into your account and go here and choose settings. Now here you will find your profile information and you will also find the dark mode option. Click on it and choose dark mode. As you can see, now we turned the dark mode on easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.